Most startup founders get this wrong. They think HR software is only needed when the team becomes big. So they delay it, and then suddenly they are drowning in onboarding chaos, payroll confusion, and employee tracking issues. Here's the truth no one tells you. Our software is not for big companies. It is for fast-growing startups that need structure before things break. And in this video, you'll understand the top 5 HR software tools for 2026, so you can choose the right one without wasting time. Let's start with Rippling. This is one of the most powerful all-in-one HR platforms. It handles onboarding, payroll, devices, and employee management in one system. Imagine a startup founder like Alex, hiring his first 10 employees. Instead of juggling spreadsheets, Rippling automates everything. But here's the problem. It can feel advanced and slightly expensive for very early-stage teams. Now here's where it gets interesting. Gusto is a favorite for small startups because it is simple and clean. You can run payroll, onboard employees, and manage basic HR tasks without complexity. It is perfect when your team is still under 20 people and you want speed over complexity. Next is Bamboo. This one focuses more on employee experience and HR management rather than heavy payroll systems. It is great for tracking performance, leave requests, and employee records. But here's the catch. You often need integrations for full payroll functionality. Now, let's talk about Zoho People. This is a strong budget-friendly option, especially for startups outside the US. It includes attendance tracking, onboarding, and basic HR workflows. It works well if you already use other Zoho tools. But it may feel less polished compared to premium platforms. Finally, we have Deel. This is extremely important for startups hiring globally. If your team includes freelancers or remote employees from different countries, Deel makes contracts, payments, and compliance much easier. It removes the headache of international payroll rules. Now here's the key insight most founders miss. The best HR software is not about features. It is about timing. Early startups need simplicity. Growing startups need automation. Global startups need compliance support. So if you are just starting out, Gusto or Zoho People is usually enough. If you are scaling fast, Rippling or Bamboo becomes more valuable. And if you are hiring globally, Deel is almost essential. To wrap it up, HR software in 2026 is about building structure before chaos starts. The earlier you set it up, the easier your startup grows without operational stress. If this helped you understand your options clearly, like the video, comment your startup size, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you build smarter companies.